Hello guys, welcome back to Ricky's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make spinach in coconut sauce. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. Ingredients: you will need 1 bundle of spinach washed properly, light coconut milk 1 cup, heavy coconut milk 3/4 cup, curry powder 1 teaspoon, 1 sliced onion, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, a half a piece of jumbo optional, turmeric powder a half a teaspoon, and 1 tomato. In a medium-large pot, add the spinach and add the following ingredients mentioned in the beginning except the thick coconut milk. Then you'll stir a bit and cover your spinach to let it cook till it reduces in size. Once the spinach has reduced in size, open the lid and let the spinach cook without covering it. When the soup is less like this, stir a bit, and lastly add the thick coconut milk and stir once more and let the spinach cook till the soup is less. And make sure the heat is not too high and let your spinach cook in a medium heat. At this point, you can let your spinach to be completely dry or leave a bit of sauce and your coconut spinach is ready. And my tasty coconut spinach is ready, as you can see in the video. Serve on a bowl and you can eat along with rice, ugali, chapati or anything you like and enjoy your coconut spinach. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.